where we're hitting on our diaphragm. We're going to do some bumblebee sounds, which I'm breathing into the belly. Have a slow ninja-like breath.
Meditation hard, why? Freely fearless, love more wholeness, meditation hard, why? Freely fearless, love more wholeness, meditation hard, why? My heart, why? Our hearts, why? Hearts, why?
Hello everybody, and welcome once again to another Beyond Boundaries breathwork training. Today, we're gonna go over the importance of the exhale. So what we'll find, we can inhale, that's easy, but how are we exhaling? As you've already learned with Ujjayi breath, that's a great way to expand and work on the exhalation. The exhalation is so important. And as you learned in the tapping and the shaking, where we're hitting on our diaphragm, breathing through the nose, waking up the diaphragm with the slow exhales. It's so important to have the exhale be a little bit longer than the inhale. And if not a little bit longer, excessively longer. There's times when we're either A, stretching, B, laying in a Shavasana Yoga Nidra type of posture, and C, any other time that you find fit, but especially in those ones is the easiest way to get into this really deep heightened state. We're able to extend the exhale. So I want you right now, we're going to do some bumblebee sounds, which we do in the humming and screaming portion of the Beyond Boundaries breathwork framework. So together, let's breathe all of the stale air out, sucking our tummy in, then breathing into the belly. Balloon belly breath, fully to the top. And relaxing the face. The bumblebee noise, breathing in once more. Each one having the breath be longer, fully in. Fully in. And if you have to breathe in before me, it's okay, but we're just extending that as long as we can. So tongue at the roof of the mouth, fully in. Together. Last one, fully in. And as you can see, you have a changed state just from doing that, but what's happening is you're actually expanding the capacity of the lungs and disciplining the lungs to be able to work better with carbon dioxide. That's the reason why we have these extended exhalations and these quicker inhalations with the heart rate variability breath, with the Ujjayi breath, and why we do the exhalation retentions with all other breaths when we're doing the withholding portion of the framework. That exhale retention, the withholding, that is another key pillar and foundation of why we're doing what we're doing. So we're going to go now into the ability to have a slow ninja-like breath. If there's a feather held under the nose, you wouldn't touch the feather on the inhale or the exhale. So we're going to start the section on slow breath, the effects of slow breath. So let us try to do the balloon belly breath, but you know how you actually hear your breath when you take full balloon belly breaths. This one we're not even going to hear our own breath, let alone anyone else hear it. We're going to slow our breath down so much so we're breathing into every last corner and portion of our lungs and our diaphragm all the way to our collarbones, and you won't even be able to hear the breath. So together, breathing all of the air out, tummy comes in, stale breath out, and breathing in as gentle and quiet where you can't even hear it as possible. What you may notice is by relaxing the tummy, relaxing the diaphragm, it's almost as if naturally breath begins to flow into the belly first. By opening and relaxing the nose muscles and the inside of the face and that of the tummy as well, the breath begins to fall into our lungs. And as you get to the top, you will have to put some effort to actually breathe all the way in. From the top, you begin the exhale where you slowly breathe all the way out until the belly comes in and you're empty. Continue breathing at that pace for as long as you'd like.